Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to explain about money heist strategy in Monopoly. The money heist strategy in Monopoly is a playful and aggressive approach where you focus on building wealth and properties quickly, while taking calculated risks outmaneuver opponents. It's inspired by the cunning tactics of a heist, but applied to the board game. Here's how you can execute a money heist strategy in Monopoly. As always, roll the dice and remember the most important thing is you need to reach one of the four stations. Then randomly in one of these four stations you will get money heist bonus round randomly. It looks like this. Here you can see some golden balls. You just need to click on all of this, and but first let's explain that this is Donny's Bank, the another player of your board, and here the first prize is $3,000, and you need to find 3 ring to acquire this reward, this $3,000, and also then there you can see the large heist. For this you just need to find the $3 icon, and for the small heist you just need to find 3 coins. For example, let's open a vault. Here you can see we have successfully find one of 3 rings from here. Now two lefts to find. Two lefts to find out. If we find the other 2 rings, then we can have the large, the biggest reward here, $3,000. And here you can see we have find the second one. But at the third time we'll find the coin, and the fourth time we find the dollar. You can see here we have found all of these 3 rings, so we get the most highest reward in this bonus round. And if we found the other 3 coins, then we can rewarded by the small haste, or if we found the $3 icon before others, then we can be rewarded by the large haste. So as you can see, I have successfully find the 3 ring successfully in this bonus round, so we got $3,000. Here you can see the main thing to focus that you need to choose the correct 3 vault that contain the 3 ring, and sometimes it may depend on your luck too. If your luck work, you can get the biggest haste too, the $3,000 in your account. Hope you understand the money heist strategy in Monopoly. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.